Today we'll show you how to export your video with 4K. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Okay, just click in the import and import your video, or if you have editing video here, you can do like these steps. Okay, first, now put your video here of, or you have edits videos. Okay, just now go to export here. This is a high quality. Now go to resolution and for 4K like this here, and now this is a codec. No, put 264 like this, and this is MP4, not MUV, and the frame like 30 FPS. Okay, now your audio. No, we don't need captions. So here now we put this is a higher for the 4K quality. Now do like this. 1 second, like this, export, and we have now the 4K video. This is a 4K video, guys, with the higher quality. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.